welcome Art Agent Specialists. Your last mission for 2018, if you wish to accept it, is as follows. Step 1. Add a thin layer of paint or gesso. Step 2. Add seasonal stamping all over your page. Step 3. Add texture layers with stencils. Step 4. Add a seasonal focal image or images. Step 5. Add journaling, a quote or a phrase. Step 6. Add drips or splatters. Step 7. Add a border of your choice. And step 8. Finish with shimmer or sparkle. Your suggested colour scheme for December is Snow White, Ice Blue and Silver Sparkle. And your words for inspiration are joy, icicle, frosty, family and winter. And remember, this message will self-destruct in 3 seconds. Good luck.